In today's video, let me quickly show you how to check your Venmo balance. If you're trying to pay online or send someone payments, you need to first of all check the balance so that you can send it. Let's head over to the Venmo app. Now, if you've not signed in to your Venmo account, you can easily do that by tapping on the login button. Once you log into your Venmo by typing in your email and your password, you can straight away see the balance section on the top of the screen. If you don't see this section straight away, you may be on the home page. So for you to see this section, you'll need to head over to the Me section, which is on the bottom right of the screen. After you tap on the Me section, it's going to show you the Venmo balance that you currently have available on your Venmo account. You can just tap on the transfer button and then request or send a payment instantly. So that's the way that you check your balance on Venmo. Do give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and if you are interested in more videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell.